Welcome back! Today we're taking a look at the Grand Hotel Bristol Resort in Rapallo, Italy. This hotel is part of the small luxury hotel program and can be booked with Hilton points. Starting in the lobby, it's bright with plenty of interesting pieces of art to look at. While we waited for our room to be ready, they gave us a welcome drink and a little appetizer dish, and we got to enjoy the view of the pool and the coast. This area is also where the breakfast buffet was served. Our room is now ready, and as Hyatt Diamond members, we were upgraded to a Deluxe seafront room on the second floor. So let's check it out. It's a pretty standard layout for a room. Immediately as you enter, you have the bathroom. It has a good-sized walk-in shower, toilet and bidet, and a sink. Soaps are in the big bottles. Heading to the bedroom now, they knew it was our anniversary, so they had decorated the room a bit and gave us a plate of chocolate-covered strawberries and a bottle of wine. The strawberries were delicious. The room is nice and bright and comfortable. The view from the balcony is stunning. I only wish there was enough room to sit out here. The mini fridge had a small selection of complimentary non-alcoholic drinks. The pool is a notable feature of this hotel. It is large with a good amount of lounge seats and umbrellas. We never felt crowded, and there are plenty of places both in the sun and in the shade to relax and hang out. The views from the pool deck here are really just spectacular. The hotel is a little ways out of the main part of Rapallo. Thankfully, they provide a complimentary shuttle service to and from the town and the train station. Just be sure to call or speak to the front desk to coordinate pickup. The main road is narrow and winding, and the sidewalk tends to disappear at inopportune times. However, there is a walking path that you can take that hugs the water most of the way. I can't recommend this enough. The views are amazing, there's essentially no vehicle traffic either, and it's only about a 15-20 minute walk into town. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side of things, it's beautiful. Both the views from the hotel and the building itself are stunning. We experienced great service, from the welcome drink to the decorations in the room. They made us feel welcome. It's bookable with Hilton points, and I appreciate that they had a complimentary shuttle service. On the con side of things, the AC was weak, which was pretty typical for most of our hotels that we stayed at in Italy, and it's also pretty expensive. Had we not booked on points, the cash rates at the time were well over $500 a night. Overall, we had a wonderful visit here, and we wish we could have stayed longer. Thanks for watching.